short video on our buy above sell below strategy, and today we are talking about, today is the 16th of August. This is early morning, actually not very early morning, 10:30, somewhere in the afternoon, and we're going to discuss what happens when the market opens gap up and what are we seeing on this particular chart today. So if you notice, we opened gap up, we had a huge wick, and then we saw the price come down, and eventually we've come into a buy above sell below area. How important this buy above sell below area is, and we're exactly starting to take support at this buy above sell below area. Remains to be seen whether we take a bounce from here or we fall down. So as for this strategy, we wait until our prices come into the buy above sell below area. These are the two markers for the two profit sides on the long side, and the blue lines are the two markers on the profits on the short side. What we are doing, look, this is a live video. Let's go to the 5-minute chart and see what's happening. And we're seeing that there's some kind of a reversal building right from our buy above sell below area. Now this buy above sell below area was based on previous readings on the chart. And look how the price gets attracted to this level. The prices come all the way down, and now it's going to start to react from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video here, and we'll see what happens in a future course on the video, and then take it from there. So at the moment, I'm just giving an introduction, and then we will pause this video and see how it goes in the later part of the trade. Thank you. Welcome, guys. This is again 10:50. So that's 20 minutes past our last recording. And if you see the progress, we have started to move up, and now we have imbalance move. There's a new fair value gap that has been created, though the candle hasn't closed as yet, but this is a potential new fair value gap that has been created. And if this works, we could be progressing back again and looking at targeting 50,351, which is our first target. So we've already initiated a long here as it crossed up and showed some level of sustenance over the buy above level. We have gone up, and we are now moving forward. There's a little, so I hope this candle closes and we are able to maintain this fair value gap, because that is essential for us to move up. It will give us some comfort that the move up is being supported by the bulls. So let's wait for this. I'll keep recording as we go forward. Enough for the moment. We'll update you in some more time. Thank you. Welcome, guys. This is 11:10 in progress. We last recorded at 10:50. It's about 20 minutes more. And if you see, we're still above the buy above line and still consolidating. We haven't moved above the buy above line in a very big way. Yes, but we are already in the trade and somewhere close to our entry point. And where we place the stop loss, I'll give you an idea where to place the stop loss. The stop loss is placed somewhere around here, just below the sell below line for the long trade. And we are in the long trade now. And if this is a live chart, and you're seeing that the consolidation is taking place, and we should expect to go higher. This is what the bias is going to be, because we're above the buy above line, and we have tagged into our no decision zone and tagged out of it. So we're in the buy trade now, and let's see how the progress is. We'll again resume the video in some time. Welcome back once again, guys. This is 11:30 now, 11:30, and see how beautifully we've progressed on this strategy. Now we're approximately 203 points above our buy above area, and if we bought a little higher, we at least around 50 points in the green. We're going to book some partials at this line, and we have traded our stop loss to our cost. So picked up this stop loss and brought it to our cost. So now we can't lose on this trade. That's important. We can't lose on this trade anymore. So I will update you more once we go and see and tag this level, or maybe about 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes from now. So just try and do this progress report so you understand how to trade this buy above sell below strategy. Let's meet once again as soon as we can. Welcome, guys. This is 11:35, and see how beautifully we've got this rise on the bank Nifty. And now we are approximately about 226 points from the point where we took the trade. And if you calculate the point from where we had the real conviction to go about this strategy without taking a confirmation, we would have been approximately 180 points up. 280 points up is close to about 5,000 rupees per lot. And that's a fabulous return on an investment of about 90,000. If you make 5,000, it's close to about 5% on a particular day. 5% If you make 5% every day, imagine what are you going to do? You're going to become a wealthy man in a very short amount of time. Anyways, guys, so this trade is doing well. We are progressing well, and we're all set for our first target. Let's see how soon we assume it. I will revert back to you as soon as I receive the target. Welcome, guys. Look, this is 11:45 now, and we've already tagged our first target beautifully. So what have we gained? If you started safe, you're about 300 points plus. If you trusted the level and moved right from when it started to reverse, that would have been a classic 363, 360 odd points. So we've done really well for ourselves on this particular strategy as far as Bank Nifty is concerned. We are doing really well here. And now we look forward to getting to our second target at 50,700. What we're going to do is we're going to trail our stops further in. So we're going to book partials, and we are going to trail our stops to this level and hope that we don't hit our stop loss and we keep tracking upwards. That's what we will do in this strategy. But so far, we've made some money and we've protected our profits now because we moved the rest of the positions in play and we've trailed our stops to cost plus. So whatever positions we made money, we already booked, and more has been booked because we've booked our we've traded our stop loss beyond the cost. So that's the beauty of the sell below strategy and the way I teach you how to use it. Let's look forward for more as we progress in the next part of the trade. Guys, this is 12:07, and look how beautifully we are still progressing on our Bank Nifty trade. Looks like the second target is not far away. Let's see the progress. You're now about 445 points and about 400 points from your entry. And now we're going to trail our positions further. Now we're going to trail them up to just below the first profit target. So if we see another drop, we'll see a bounce from this area. We may hit the stop loss, but we have to protect our profits and ride the trend right up to the second target, which is 50,700. We're looking good, guys. It's a lovely trade we've taken today, and hopefully we will reach the second target. I'll keep updating on this one as we go ahead. Final piece of the puzzle, guys. So we have reached the second target that we were talking about. It's a matter of patience. This is 1:50 in the afternoon. And look, like I told you, we've had this beautiful run. And if you stuck to what I told you, you'd have made a gain of 700 and odd amount of points on this, which is close to about 10,000 rupees per lot. How amazing is that? On an investment of close to about 90,000, if you can make 10,000 one day, I mean, what more can you ask from your market? Amazing, isn't it? So with this, I would like you to make an attempt to understand the strategy and take the benefits that it gives. I have a short course which I'm going to put in the description, which is a short course which you need to take with a nominal amount as a token of your commitment to learn. You will be getting to learn what the strategy is all about in more detail with videos and PPTs and stuff like that, and cases, expert charts that I have online for all the recordings that I've made for different days of this strategy to help you convince yourself that this is a wonderful strategy to use for your trading and that it can help you become consistently profitable and make a viable living from operating with the markets. With this said, I'm going to close today's case study on today's Bank Nifty trade. We ran through it live as it happened, and it's testament to what this strategy can give you in terms of making money from the markets. Thanks for watching this video, and look forward to be sharing more of these in an attempt to convince you more and more that this strategy is something that deserves your attention. Thank you.